Welcome to Accelerator pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2000 through 2006 Mercedes S-Class accelerator pedal sensor. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. Once the battery is connected, you're going to connect the positive from the battery in the multimeter, so it's 20 volts like this, to this middle pin on the left. The negative from the multimeter will connect to this bottom pin on the left. And the negative from the battery will connect to this top right pin. Once you do that, it should be reading about 4.2 volts in the auto position. And as you press your hand against the pedal itself, it should be reading about 2.6 volts at the very end. Make sure you check for spikes and glitches during the test. Now, before I move on, only disconnect the positive from the battery and the multimeter, as you're going to put it somewhere else. The negatives are going to stay right where they are. So like I said, you're going to disconnect the middle pin from the positive and connect it to this right bottom pin. The negatives will stay right where they are. So once you do that, it should be reading about 4.1 volts in the auto position and about 2.4 volts when it's fully pressed in. And remember, you're checking for spikes and glitches during the test. So here our expert's going to slowly put his hand on one and press the pedal in, and it should be giving you exactly this different voltage meter. And if your pedal is doing something like this, it might be something else that is wrong with your vehicle. But if it isn't this, then I recommend you check out our store page and our eBay page to see if we have one in stock. We send to all over the country, and we're good to help you out anytime. Thanks for watching.